Hello everyone, and welcome back to another driving tour here in beautiful Cebu, Philippines. If you're new to the channel, my name is Bernard Vincent, and I am one of a real estate agent with our company, dedicated to helping clients buy, sell, and invest in properties throughout Cebu and the Philippines. And today I'm taking you around one of the most exciting and valuable business districts in the country, Cebu IT Park. If you've ever wondered why so many locals, overseas Filipinos, foreign investors, retirees, and multinational companies are choosing this area, then you're definitely going to enjoy today's drive. As you can see around us, Cebu IT Park is very different from many other places in Cebu. This isn't just another commercial area. It's a carefully planned mixed-use business district where people can work, live, shop, dine, and relax, all within walking distance. Originally, this area was the old Lahug Airport. Today, it has been transformed into one of the country's most successful business and technology hubs. It's amazing to think that an old airport has evolved into a vibrant community filled with modern skyscrapers, luxury condominiums, office towers, hotels, restaurants, coffee shops, and open public spaces. One of the first things you'll notice while driving around Cebu IT Park is how organized everything feels. The roads are wide, the sidewalks are pedestrian-friendly, and there are plenty of landscaped areas that make the environment pleasant to explore, whether you're driving or simply taking a walk. This district is home to hundreds of local and international companies, particularly in the business process outsourcing, or BPO, industry. Thousands of professionals work here every day, and because of that, there's always activity from morning until late at night. In fact, many people describe Cebu IT Park as one of the few places in Cebu that truly never sleeps. As we continue driving, you'll notice that convenience is one of the biggest advantages of this location. Almost everything you need is nearby. There are supermarkets, pharmacies, banks, fitness centers, co-working spaces, clinics, restaurants offering cuisines from around the world, cafés perfect for remote work, and lifestyle establishments that cater to both residents and visitors. One of the reasons investors love Cebu IT Park is because of its strategic location. We're only a short drive from Cebu Business Park, Ayala Center Cebu, major hospitals like Cebu Doctors University Hospital and Chonghua Hospital, prestigious universities such as the University of the Philippines Cebu and the University of San Carlos, and of course, Mactan Cebu International Airport is only about 30 to 40 minutes away, depending on traffic conditions. Accessibility is a major factor that influences property values, and Cebu IT Park has excellent connectivity to the rest of Metro Cebu. Whether you're heading to Mandaue City, Cebu City, the South Road properties, or Mactan Island, there are multiple routes that make commuting relatively convenient. For many people looking to invest in real estate, location is everything. And that's exactly why Cebu IT Park continues to attract both local and international buyers. A property located in a prime business district often benefits from strong demand because people want to live close to where they work, study, and spend their leisure time. Of course, every real estate investment is different, and property values can rise or fall depending on market conditions. That's why it's always important to do your own research, understand your investment goals, and seek advice from licensed real estate professionals before making any purchasing decisions. But one thing is clear: Cebu IT Park has established itself as one of the most recognizable addresses in Metro Cebu, and over the years, it has become a symbol of the city's continuous growth, modernization, and economic development. As we continue our drive, I'll show you some of the major landmarks, residential developments, office towers, and lifestyle destinations that make Cebu IT Park one of the most sought-after places to live, work, and invest in the Philippines. As we continue driving through Cebu IT Park, you'll start to notice just how vibrant this community really is. No matter what time of the day you visit, there's always something happening. You'll see professionals heading to work, students meeting friends for coffee, families enjoying dinner, and visitors simply exploring one of Cebu's most modern neighborhoods. One of the biggest landmarks here is Ayala Mall's central block. This modern shopping mall has quickly become one of the favorite destinations for both residents and visitors. Inside, you'll find a wide variety of restaurants, cafes, supermarkets, fashion stores, fitness centers, cinemas, banks, and everyday services. Whether you're grabbing a quick lunch, meeting clients, or spending time with family, it's a place that brings everything together in one convenient location. What's great about Cebu IT Park is that you don't always need a car. Many residents simply walk from their condominium to their office, stop by a cafe for breakfast, shop for groceries after work, and enjoy dinner with friends, all within just a few minutes. That kind of walkable lifestyle is something many people appreciate, especially professionals with busy schedules. As you look around, you'll also notice the impressive office towers that define the Cebu skyline. Many multinational companies have established operations here, particularly in the business process outsourcing industry, information technology, finance, engineering, customer support, and shared services. These companies provide thousands of jobs and continue to attract skilled professionals from all over the Philippines. The continuous presence of international companies also creates a strong demand for nearby housing. Many employees prefer living close to their workplace to avoid long commutes, making Cebu IT Park one of the most desirable residential locations in Metro Cebu. Beyond the office buildings, you'll discover an incredible variety of dining options. Whether you're craving Filipino cuisine, Japanese sushi, Korean barbecue, Italian pasta, American burgers, or specialty coffee, you'll find something that suits every taste and budget. Food lovers often consider Cebu IT Park one of the best dining destinations in the city because of the diverse selection available. Another reason people enjoy this area is its lively atmosphere after sunset. Even in the evening, you'll find restaurants filled with customers, cafes buzzing with conversation, and open spaces where people gather to relax after work. The district remains active well into the night, creating an energetic yet welcoming environment. For entrepreneurs, this constant flow of people creates opportunities for restaurants, retail shops, fitness studios, co-working spaces, professional services, and many other businesses. A growing population of residents, office workers, and visitors helps support a healthy local economy throughout the year. Accessibility is another major advantage. From Cebu IT Park, you can easily reach Cebu Business Park, Banilad, Lahug, Mabolo, Mandaue City, and the Mactan Cebu International Airport. Public transportation, taxis, and ride-hailing services are readily available, making it convenient whether you're commuting to work or exploring different parts of Metro Cebu. This excellent connectivity is one of the reasons Cebu IT Park continues to attract attention from both local and international investors. Prime locations with modern infrastructure, strong business activity, and convenient access to everyday amenities often remain among the most sought-after areas in any growing city. In the next part of our drive, we'll take a closer look at the residential side of Cebu IT Park, explore some of its well-known condominium developments, and discuss why many investors see this district as one of the most desirable locations for long-term property investment in Cebu. As we continue driving around Cebu IT Park, let's talk about one of the biggest reasons people from around the world are interested in this district: its real estate market. If you've been watching the skyline during our drive, you've probably noticed the number of modern residential towers surrounding us. Cebu IT Park is home to some of the city's most recognizable condominium developments, offering everything from compact studio units to spacious luxury residences with impressive city views. One of the reasons condominiums remain popular here is convenience. Imagine living just a few minutes from your office, your favorite coffee shop, the supermarket, restaurants, fitness centers, and even entertainment venues. Instead of spending hours in traffic, many residents simply walk to where they need to go. That kind of lifestyle is becoming increasingly valuable in growing cities like Cebu. Because thousands of professionals work in Cebu IT Park every day, there's also consistent demand for residential units. Many employees, business executives, expatriates, and even international visitors prefer staying close to the business district. This creates opportunities for property owners who are looking to lease their units, whether for long-term residence or, where permitted by building policies and local regulations, other accommodation arrangements. Another reason investors continue to pay attention to Cebu IT Park is its limited space for future expansion. Unlike suburban areas where large parcels of land remain available, this district is already highly developed. As land becomes scarcer in prime business locations, developers often focus on maximizing available space through high-rise residential, office, and mixed-use projects. Of course, real estate markets go through cycles, and property values can rise or fall depending on supply, demand, interest rates, and broader economic conditions. That's why it's always important to evaluate your financial goals, understand the local market, and perform proper due diligence before making any investment decision. What makes Cebu IT Park unique is that it's more than just a place to buy a condominium. It's an entire lifestyle destination. People choose to live here because of the convenience, accessibility, and vibrant community. Everything you need is close by, from grocery stores and pharmacies to medical clinics, banks, co-working spaces, and countless dining options. For international buyers, Cebu IT Park also offers the advantage of being in one of the Philippines' most established business districts. Many foreign retirees, overseas Filipinos, digital nomads, and professionals appreciate living in an area where modern amenities are readily available and English is widely spoken. Accessibility is another major advantage. From Cebu IT Park, you're only a short drive from Cebu Business Park, major hospitals, leading universities, and Mactan Cebu International Airport. Whether you're traveling for business or leisure, having easy access to these destinations makes everyday life much more convenient. You'll also notice that many new developments continue to appear around the surrounding neighborhoods. As Metro Cebu grows, nearby communities benefit from improved infrastructure, new commercial establishments, and expanding transportation networks. This ongoing development helps strengthen Cebu's position as one of the country's leading economic centers. For entrepreneurs and business owners, being close to Cebu IT Park can also provide valuable opportunities. With thousands of professionals working in the area each day, businesses such as cafés, restaurants, retail stores, wellness centers, professional offices, and service providers benefit from a steady flow of potential customers. As we continue exploring this remarkable district, it's easy to understand why Cebu IT Park has become one of the most recognizable addresses in the Philippines. It combines business, residential living, entertainment, and modern urban convenience in one integrated community. In the final part of our tour, we'll talk about the future of Cebu IT Park, why many retirees and digital nomads are choosing Cebu, and what makes this city one of the most exciting places to live, work, and invest in the Philippines. As we wrap up our drive around Cebu IT Park, I hope you've been able to see why this district has become one of the most desirable places to live, work, and invest in the Philippines. When people think about Cebu, they often imagine beautiful white sand beaches, crystal clear islands, waterfalls, and mountain resorts. While those attractions are certainly part of Cebu's charm, there's another side to the island that's equally impressive, and that's its rapidly growing business environment. Cebu IT Park perfectly represents that transformation. It's a place where innovation, business, technology, education, and modern living all come together. You can start your morning with a coffee, walk to your office, enjoy lunch with friends, finish your workday, exercise at a nearby fitness center, have dinner at one of the many restaurants, and still be only a short drive from the beach or the mountains on the weekend. That balance between career opportunities and quality of life is one of the biggest reasons why so many people choose Cebu. It offers the convenience of a modern city while still maintaining the relaxed atmosphere that makes island living so enjoyable. For digital nomads and remote workers, Cebu IT Park is especially attractive. Reliable internet, co-working spaces, cafés, modern condominiums, and easy access to essential services create an environment where it's possible to stay productive while enjoying a tropical lifestyle. Retirees also find Cebu appealing for many reasons. The city offers quality healthcare, international hospitals, modern shopping malls, diverse dining options, and an international airport with connections to many domestic and international destinations. Combined with Cebu's warm climate and welcoming culture, it's easy to understand why so many people consider this island for retirement. If you're an entrepreneur, Cebu IT Park is also an exciting place to observe. The steady flow of professionals, students, residents, and visitors creates demand for restaurants, retail stores, wellness businesses, professional services, technology companies, and many other industries. While every business requires careful planning and market research, it's clear that this district continues to play an important role in Cebu's economic growth. From a real estate perspective, Cebu IT Park remains one of the city's most recognizable investment locations. Its central location, excellent accessibility, modern infrastructure, and vibrant community continue to attract homebuyers and investors who value convenience and long-term potential. As with any investment, future performance isn't guaranteed, so it's important to conduct proper due diligence and seek advice from licensed professionals before making a purchase. One of the things I personally enjoy about driving around Cebu IT Park is watching how the area continues to evolve. New buildings rise alongside established landmarks, businesses continue to expand, and the community grows while maintaining the energy that makes this district unique. Every visit offers something new to discover. If this is your first time seeing Cebu IT Park, I'd love to know your first impression. Does it look like the kind of place where you could see yourself living? Could you imagine starting a business here, investing in a condominium, or perhaps spending your retirement in Cebu? If you've already visited Cebu IT Park, feel free to share your experience in the comments below. Your insights may help other viewers who are planning their first trip or researching investment opportunities in the Philippines. And if you're considering buying real estate in Cebu, whether it's a condominium in Cebu IT Park, a house and lot, a commercial property, a beachfront investment, or agricultural land for future development, we'd be happy to help you explore the available options. Our goal is to provide accurate information, guide you through the buying process, and help you find a property that matches your lifestyle and investment goals. Thank you so much for joining me on today's driving tour. I truly appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our future driving tours, real estate showcases, investment guides, business insights, and lifestyle videos from Cebu and around the Philippines. Until our next adventure, stay safe, keep exploring, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.